Is the Samsung S10 Lite actually light compared to the other S10 models by Samsung? Let's find out. Today we have brought you a new phone, the Samsung S10 Lite. It was released on 23rd of January in an official release event by Samsung. Today we will go through the detailed specs of the Samsung S10 Lite, and at the end of the video, see if the Samsung S10 Lite is truly worth 39,999 rupees. Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite smartphone runs on Android 10 operating system. It is available in 3 color variants on Flipkart: Prism White, Prism Black and Prism Blue color. The Prism White color looks elegant and raises eyebrows for making a style statement. The Samsung S10 Lite measures 162.5 mm by 75.6 mm and comes with a thickness of 8.1 mm. The phone is a bit on the bulkier side, weighing in at 186 grams. The phone comes with inbuilt sensors such as in-display fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass along with Samsung desktop experience support. Let us look at the detailed specifications with respect to 4 parameters: performance, display, camera, and battery. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Also, if you like the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let us get started. Performance. Let us now look at the performance of the device. The Samsung S10 Lite comes with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 855 processor. The Snapdragon 855 is powered by new architecture improvements and leading 7nm process technology, which is more powerful as well as being more efficient. Snapdragon 855 is a octacore processor with a combination of quad-core, tri-core and a single-core kryo processor. The processor is more powerful than the exynos chipset by Samsung. It also comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, which can be expanded to 1TB using an external memory card. The performance of the S10 Lite is superior to the other S10 series phones, and hence, I give it a solid 93 out of 100 when it comes to performance. Display. Talking about the display, Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite smartphone has a Super AMOLED Plus display with a 6.7-inch big capacitive touchscreen that provides a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. Although the display has a lower resolution as compared to the other S10 series phones by Samsung, it's still very good as compared to phones in this price range. Hence, it scores an above par 78 out of 100. Camera. Talking about another important characteristic of a smartphone, the camera. The smartphone on the rear side has a triple camera that consists of a 48-megapixel wide-angle camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and 5-megapixel dedicated macro camera, and features like LED flash, panorama and HDR. However, the 48MP lens results in a 12MP image output, as the lens is based on pixel binning technology, which lead to images that are rich in color, details and reduced noise. The Samsung S10 Lite comes with a Super Steady OIS feature, which gives you ultra-steady videos and pictures even when you are on the go. However, there is one down point. The camera slot at the back is just too big and looks intimidating. But it is not serving any purpose in true sense. At the front, there is a 32-megapixel selfie shooter which is slotted in on the screen as a punch-hole camera. Samsung is known for its camera, and this set of camera actually performs very well. Hence, I give it a score of 86 out of 100. Battery. The device is fueled with a non-removable 4500 mAh lithium polymer battery that allows for a longer operation of the device in a single charge. It also comes with a fast charging support. Samsung claims that it can give a full day's battery in 30 minutes of charging. The 4500 mAh battery is still a big plus when compared to the other S10 series phones by Samsung. Hence, it scores a respectable 87 out of 100. Final verdict. Final verdict. Let us wrap up this video with the final verdict. It turns out that the Samsung S10 Lite is actually not at all light. It actually comes with a better processor than the S10 Plus. It also comes with a bigger screen size than the Samsung Note 10 or the Samsung S10, and the biggest battery in the S10 segment. The only down point is its price. Priced at 39,999 rupees, it's a bit too high for a smartphone with this configuration. We get phones with same if not better configuration under 40,000 rupees like the OnePlus series phones. But when we speak about the S10 series, it is surely the one to buy as it comes with a lower price point than the other S10 phones or Note 10. So, the Samsung S10 Lite is actually light in name but heavy in specs. Hence, I give it a more than solid 96 out of 100. Hope you liked the video. If you want any other info in regard to the Samsung S10 Lite, please comment below.